Hey everyone, welcome back to Minute English with Ha, where you learn real English in just 5 minutes a day. Today is day 6 of our 30-day English challenge, and we're talking about daily habits and healthy lifestyles. Let's begin. Do you consider yourself a healthy person?
I try to be. I'm not perfect, but I do my best to eat well and exercise regularly.
That's great. What kind of healthy habits do you have?
Well, I start my day with a glass of water and a short stretch. It helps me wake up.
Nice. I usually drink coffee first thing in the morning, but I should probably drink water too.
Yeah, coffee's great, but water is better for your body.
True. What about food? Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook most of my meals. I try to eat lots of vegetables and less fried food.
That's smart. I love fried chicken, but I know it's not healthy.
Same here, it's okay to have it sometimes. Just not every day.
Right. Everything in moderation.
Exactly. I also try to walk at least 30 minutes a day.
That's a great habit. Do you go to the gym too?
Sometimes. I prefer outdoor workouts like jogging or cycling.
That's cool. I like yoga and dancing at home, they're fun and relaxing.
That's a good mix of exercise and stress relief.
Yeah, I think staying active helps me focus better.
Totally agree. Physical health really affects your mood and energy.
Absolutely. Oh, do you also meditate or do mindfulness?
A little. I usually take 5 minutes before bed to breathe and clear my mind.
That's such a good idea. I should try that.
You should. It helps you sleep better too.
Speaking of sleep, what time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11 p.m., but I'm trying to sleep earlier.
Same. I always end up scrolling on my phone too long.
Haha, guilty. That's my bad habit.
We all have one. The key is to balance it with good habits.
Exactly. So what's one habit you're proud of?
I'd say drinking more water and exercising regularly. What about you?
Mine is reading every night before bed instead of using my phone.
That's awesome. It's a small change but really healthy.
Yes, little habits make a big difference over time.
Totally agree. Healthy living isn't about perfection, it's about consistency.
Exactly. Just try to be a little better every day.
Now it's your turn. Let's do some shadowing. Repeat after me. I drink a glass of water every morning.
I drink a glass of water every morning.
I eat healthy food and exercise every day.
I eat healthy food and exercise every day.
I try to walk for at least 30 minutes.
I try to walk for at least 30 minutes.
I go to bed early and get enough sleep.
I go to bed early and get enough sleep.
I read before bed instead of using my phone.
I read before bed instead of using my phone.
I'm trying to live a healthy and balanced life.
I'm trying to live a healthy and balanced life. Great job. Now let's go over some useful vocabulary from today's lesson. Healthy, good for your body and mind. Habit, something you do regularly. Exercise, physical activity to stay fit. Balanced, not too much, not too little. Moderation, doing something just enough, not too often. Mindfulness, being calm and present in the moment. Lifestyle, the way you live every day. Healthy living is about progress, not perfection. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching Minute English with Ha. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit like, subscribe, and comment one healthy habit you have. I'll read some tomorrow. See you in day 7, where we'll talk about food and eating out in English. Hand waving.